Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix when you can't see someone's followers on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, here I'm gonna swipe left to go to the profile of that user and then hit followers. And as you see here, everybody who follows this account will appear. Now I'm gonna go back, go back. I'm gonna tap on the search icon at the top right corner to look for a private account and then hit users. And for example, I'm gonna choose this account. And if you try to tap on followers, actually you can see the followers of this account, and that's because the account is private. So if you can't see someone's followers on TikTok, then it's either because their account is private or it's because they've blocked you on TikTok. Well, here, if they blocked you, they unfortunately can do nothing. But if the account is private and you want to view their followers, you can just hit the follow button and then wait till they approve your follow request. And after that, you'll be able to see their followers. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.